Welcome to LearnFizz. In this video, we will discuss on some important topics of ML machine learning. 1. Describe basic concept of machine learning. Machine learning, ML, is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. ML algorithms use statistical methods to infer patterns and make predictions or decisions based on input data. 2. Explain application of machine learning. ML applications are vast and include image recognition, facial recognition and object detection, natural language processing, chatbots, translation services, sentiment analysis, recommendation systems, suggesting products or content, predictive analytics, forecasting trends in finance and healthcare. 3. List out types of machine learning. Explain any one in detail. Types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, semi-supervised learning, self-supervised learning. Detailed explanation of supervised learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on a dataset that includes both inputs and their corresponding outputs. For instance, in email spam detection, the algorithm is trained with labeled emails, spam or not spam, and learns to classify new emails based on the patterns it has learned. 4. Give the differentiate between supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data and aims to predict output for new data, while unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data to discover hidden patterns or groupings. 5. Explain reinforcement learning in detail. Reinforcement learning, RL, is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by performing actions in an environment to maximize cumulative rewards. The agent explores the environment and receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. For example, in a game, RL can be used to develop strategies to win by learning from each game's outcomes.